Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to unlock your full potential and achieve unlimited success. In this video, I'm going to reveal the life-changing secrets that can transform your mindset, supercharge your productivity, and make you unstoppable. Whether you're looking to dominate in your career, personal life, or creative endeavors, this is for you. If you're ready to reach the next level, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Master your mindset, the power of belief. The first step to unlocking your full potential is mastering your mindset. Everything starts in the mind. Most people set limits for themselves because they don't believe they can achieve greatness. The truth is, you are capable of more than you've ever imagined. Here's the secret. Success isn't just for the few, it's for the committed. The only difference between those who make it and those who don't is the mindset they adopt. Adopt a growth mindset where every challenge is an opportunity to grow and failure becomes your greatest teacher. Your action step. Starting today, replace "I can't" with "I will." Whenever doubt creeps in, repeat this to yourself. I have unlimited potential and I'm capable of achieving anything. Set massive goals and get laser focused. The second key to unlocking your full potential is having clear, massive goals. People who achieve greatness don't aim for average, they aim for the moon. But it's not enough to just set big goals. You need to get laser focused on what matters most. Here's the trick. Focus on one big goal at a time. You'll be amazed at how much progress you can make when you put 100% of your energy into a single mission. Your action step. Grab a pen and paper and write down your #1 goal for the next 6 months. Now, break it down into daily and weekly actions. The clearer your path, the faster you'll get there. Create a success routine. High achievers have one thing in common. They have powerful daily routines. To reach your full potential, you need to optimize your habits. Morning routines are especially important because they set the tone for the rest of your day. What if I told you that every morning could be a stepping stone to your ultimate success? By incorporating habits like meditation, exercise, and visualization into your routine, you can prime your mind and body for success before you even leave the house. Your action step. Starting tomorrow, wake up 1 hour earlier and dedicate that time to your personal growth. Read, meditate, and visualize your goals coming to life. Take consistent, massive action. Here's the cold, hard truth. You can have the best mindset and the clearest goals, but if you're not taking action, you're going nowhere. The most successful people aren't the smartest. They're the ones who take massive, relentless action. Here's a pro tip. Action beats perfection. Don't wait for the perfect moment, or for everything to line up perfectly. Start now, even if you don't feel 100% ready. Your action step. Write down the one action you can take today that will move you closer to your goal, and do it before the day ends. Remember, imperfect action is better than no action. Overcome fear and step outside your comfort zone. This is where most people get stuck. They're afraid to leave their comfort zone. They're afraid of failure, rejection, and uncertainty. But here's the reality. Everything you want is just outside your comfort zone. If you're not a little bit uncomfortable, you're not growing. Every time you push your limits, you expand your potential. Your action step. Think of one thing you've been avoiding because it feels too uncomfortable. Take action on it this week. Whether it's having a difficult conversation, starting that business, or making a bold move, do it. Surround yourself with greatness. They say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to unlock your full potential, you need to surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be your best. Here's the secret. Your environment shapes your success. The people you hang around will either pull you up or hold you down. Make sure you're in a circle that fuels your ambition. Your action step. Audit your circle. Identify the people who uplift and inspire you, and spend more time with them. Seek out mentors, mastermind groups, and communities that will help you grow. Visualize and manifest success. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for achieving success. Top athletes, entrepreneurs, and performers use visualization to mentally rehearse their success before it happens. When you vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals, you're training your brain to recognize opportunities and take action. Here's a pro tip. Combine visualization with positive affirmations to supercharge your results. Your action step. Spend 5 minutes every day visualizing your success. See, hear, and feel what it will be like when you've reached your goal. Embrace failure as fuel. Here's a game-changing secret. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every successful person has failed more times than they can count. The key is to learn from each failure and use it as fuel for your comeback. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it. The more you fail, the closer you are to success. Every setback is just a setup for your next big breakthrough. Your action step. Reframe failure in your mind. Instead of saying "I failed," say "I learned something valuable that will help me succeed next time." Stay hungry, stay humble. Unlocking your full potential is an ongoing process. The moment you think you've made it, you stop growing. The most successful people in the world never stop learning, evolving, and pushing their limits. They stay hungry for more, but they also stay humble enough to keep learning from others. Your action step. Make a commitment to lifelong growth. Every day, ask yourself, how can I improve? What can I learn today? Final thoughts. Your potential is limitless. The secret to unlimited success is already inside you. You just need to unlock it. Start today, implement these strategies, and watch how your life transforms. Success isn't a mystery, it's a formula, and now you know it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful content that will help you reach your full potential. Let's grow together.